Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Hacks, back at you again with another game update. This time I have some stuff to show, so I'll show you that. It's been a little bit since I've done one, since I'm in the process of buying a house right now and moving, so I've been getting prepared with that. But, yeah, there should be more regular updates now that I'm preparing to get out of where I'm living now, so yeah, I'll show you what I did for this one here. Yeah, moving is fun, I guess. I'm kind of excited about it. I think I'll have more time to do game dev stuff, or at least I'll be in a better environment to do it. Alright, here we go. So, first thing, and probably the highlight of this, is the settings menu. So I finally went out of my way and did it. I might get rid of the controls because they're just, you can't change them. They're just going to show what you can do. So I have some test images here. I might just put in the help section because you can't change it. So what's the point of putting it in settings? So you can now change the graphics and stuff. And you can also change the resolution and the display mode. So you can change it like this if you want. You can also do custom if you want. So if you want one thing, like the shadows, you want the shadows to be on high, but the textures on low. Post processing on medium, you can do that. And it'll be like that in the game if you want. It doesn't look that different, but trust me, it's there. Like if you put shadows on, like for example, on low. Wait, I forgot to click apply. There you go. Now he doesn't have a shadow, so there you go. Alright. What else? Yes, resolution, you can change that. 720p. Oh, I'm not sure why it makes it full screen when you click resolution. 1080p, 2K, and then 4K. I'm not going to do 4K because my screen is 4K, so it would probably go off the screen and look really bad. You can do borderless if you want. You can do a full screen if you want. If you click restore defaults, it'll just change everything to low or medium or whatever. You can also just do this, it'll change it for you. If you do this, you don't have to click apply. It's just for these. Let's see. Oh, what else? Oh yeah, the text speed. I think that was there before. I don't know, but I'll show that. So by default, it's on medium, which is like this. Or that might be fast, actually. Well, if that is medium, let's see. Yeah, that might have been medium. I did make it faster. Let's just check. Yeah, it was medium. I just made it faster. Because I read too fast. So for me, that's like medium. This is slow. Kind of looks the same. I'm gonna make it more different. Alright, well, that works too. You can finally invert the camera, a very requested function. I know people were like, when they play the demo, they're like, can you invert the camera? I was like, what? So, that's in now, so if you do that, if you go up, it goes down. If you go down, it goes up, I think. It feels weird to me. I don't know. This is how it normally is. If you go up, it goes up. You go down, it goes down. But some people like inverted camera. I don't know. Guard confirmation. This is if... This was also asked for me, so I was like, whatever, I'll put it in. It's when you're in battle and you click guard, it'll ask if you want to guard or not. I mean, for me, it's just like don't click guard to begin with, but I don't know, some people like that, so I put that in too. Normal mode works. makes everything black and white. I'm trying to find a way to make the UI black and white too, but I'm still looking at that. So yes, you can also turn off the in-game display stuff now. So by default, it's just the controls. But if you want all of this stuff too, you can have that. So that on, there you go. It's all on the screen. If you're a minimalist, you don't want anything on the screen, you can turn that all off too. And now there's nothing, just the map. That's just for walking around though. So for example, if you go inside a dungeon very slowly, you'll still get the party thing on the side, because I think it's helpful. And honestly, I could see people who want it off here but on inside the dungeon, because you can actually get hurt and stuff in there. So I might put a function, if people ask for it, to take it off in there too, but I don't see the reason why anyone would want that. I also changed that so it's like this now. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, the UI. So this is for the main menu. So you can change what graphic is on the main menu now. So you can shoot, by default it's set random. And the background is where you last saved. So for example, if you saved like in the forest, the background would be the forest too. But you could also have it at random. So just randomly put a background there. Same with the characters, by default it's random. But you can put, players, you can put enemies, NPC, or shopkeeper. You can choose as many as you want. If you do this, and it's the same as random, so I don't see why you would do that. But, if you choose random, it'll go take it off. So if you want just like the players and the enemies, you can do that. If you just want the players, you can do that. You want the players and the NPCs, you can do that. So yeah, it's very customizable with that there. So for example, let's make it the shopkeeper. I only have one image, so let's go back to the title screen. And there you go, now it's a shopkeeper. So yeah, that all works. What else did I do? Oh yes. I did this. I completed Joe's thing. I was going to do everyone else's too, but I got bored of it, so I was like, I'll just do it next time. But yeah, Joe's is done, so there you go. I think that's it. I don't think I did anything else. I'm trying to think if I did. I don't think so. Yeah, I think that was it. So yeah, I just mostly did the settings menu, and I worked a little bit on the thing, and I did some UI stuff and some back-end stuff, making it a lot nicer, a lot more streamlined. I did a lot of stuff with inputs too, just fixing that all up to integrate into the new system, which is much better than the old one. So yeah, next time I should probably have all the dialogue pictures done, the tiny ones. What else? I mean, I guess I also sort of started to implement the controller functionality. I started it anyway. So now you can actually use a controller for some of the menus and stuff. I'm still kind of working out the bugs with it. It's really weird and Unreal with the button navigation. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't for some reason. So I gotta make sure it's like 100%. See, now I'm using a controller and it works. Yeah, so sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, in terms of what. It's like if I go to the character screen, nothing happens for some reason. Of course, everything works with the mouse, so just use a mouse for now. But yeah, so I was working on that, but it's kind of a headache. So yeah, next update's probably just gonna be art stuff. Because I think the next feature update is like loading and saving. So I gotta start that. But other than that, I think it's pretty good. So, yep. I should have some more stuff done next time. And yeah, see you next time with that.